Hi, I am Rishikesh Angole, one of the founders of Indus Robotics. Before talking about Indus Robotics, I would like to share my experience in my prior jobs. Before starting Indus Robotics, actually we were working at school and colleges in the same field of robotics. While working at college level, we felt a need of robotics at industrial level. We saw that our industries, mainly manufacturing industries, they are also struggling for providing world-class products and also to meet the productivity levels. They also need robotics at solution at this stage. So we thought upon a plan to start a venture where we will be providing industrial robotic solution to our industries. So the goal of starting Indus Robotics is twofold. First of all, to provide robotic solution to our industries, and secondly, to build a team of research oriented people so that with time we will develop a technology in-house and we can provide a good solution to our industries on that technology. And further I would like Mr. Harshad to talk upon our venture Indus Robotics. Thank you.
Hello, I am Harshad. Basically, the idea of Indus Robotics came in mind from the thought that our Indian government or in our India, we are just importing the technologies from outside and we are spending lot of money in dollars and euros to the foreign currencies. The basic idea is that to bring or to develop the technology in our India, there are many facts that we used to hear that in NASA there are many Indian engineers, they are working and all. So why can't we develop the same thing and same technology in our India? On the same thought we have formed this Indus Robotics. So no doubt the robotics field comprises of what I can say computers, electronics and mechanical at a higher. So no doubt the task is very difficult to combine and integrate these three fields and bring or to make one product, an effective product and a globally competitive product. So on the same line we have started the Indus Robotics and we are doing at our level best to integrate this technology on the same line. We have developed the XY plotter, which is just a very first product. We have just started our firm a month ago or a month or 2 months ago, and we have developed the XY plotter, which is no doubt it is not very perfect right now, but in near future will definitely develop the same thing. As I had said that in our Indian government and all, the funding issue is we are facing. The reason is government is ready to fund for machineries and all, but the problem is that as I am saying that we have to develop a new technology, we have to spend lot of money on R&D and the staff and the salaries and all, but no scheme of government is used to fund for the R&D purpose. So that's a very what I can say a bad thing that no one used to come up for funding R&D. We are spending just 1 or 2% on R&D in our normal trend, but in this field we have to spend lot many on R&D. That's the only thing, and that is the thing we can develop. That are the things that we can develop new products and technologies. So basically this was the things, and the more thing is that according to opportunity, what I'll say, Indian market is right now seeking for a new technology. This is the sure thing. Definitely we are seeking for a new technology at a lower cost. The thing is that the mobiles were so popular. Mobile has become so popular when mobile fit into the